The 9.3-inch portable car radio with Dashcam captures clear footage in both day and night conditions, thanks to its 1080p resolution and low light sensitivity. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, drivers can seamlessly use their favorite mobile apps and make hands-free calls via Bluetooth, enhancing both safety and convenience. The device supports AirPlay and wireless mirroring, allowing users to stream content from their phones, and it is compatible with a backup camera for added safety. Bluetooth 5.2 and a split-screen display enable simultaneous viewing of navigation and dashcam footage, improving the overall driving experience. This wireless CarPlay screen is easy to install in almost any car model, requiring just a connection to the car's cigarette lighter, and offers flexible mounting options for optimal viewing. The car radio features multiple audio output options including built-in speakers, aux, and FM radio, along with a high-definition IPS touchscreen for a better user interface.